Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make Bombay Bhurji Pav, which is very common for a man to eat in the night at the railway stations. So we start with it. We heat the pan, put in some oil, add in 2 chopped onions, whisk the eggs, add in half a teaspoon of garlic, crushed garlic, half a teaspoon of crushed ginger and 1 teaspoon of green chilli. Add in the chopped tomatoes, cook till the tomatoes are softened. The tomatoes are softened and now we add in all the seasonings. Some white pepper, salt, half a teaspoon of Pavbhaji Masala, some Amul butter, now slowly add in the eggs. Sprinkle some coriander leaves, the anda bhurji is ready and it's ready to plate. Garnish with a little coriander leaves and some chopped tomatoes. The bhurji is ready. You can serve it with some hot buttered pav.